Hey, what it is, what it do, man. It's your boy King Smalls. Yes, it is. Absolutely, man. Get my two-step on you, dig? I'll mess some church shoes up in a minute, you understand me? Hey, but check this out, man. I got a video today, man, about the elephant gun. And you might say, hey, King Smalls, what's the elephant gun, my dude? Put me on. Elephant gun is for taking out elephants, you dig? Hey, but the thing about the elephant gun, my dude, is the kickback on it is bananas, fam. So we're gonna sit back and observe a couple Arabic guys shoot this gun off, you know what I'm saying? And if you like the video, please subscribe for your boy or hit that like button, man. Without further ado. Fam, did he grab his heart? That gun and almost knocked you into a heart attack, my dude. It put a gray strip in the front of his head. The gun's so powerful, fam. And I don't know if nobody else noticed this, but it kind of looked like Saddam Hussein. Y'all sure y'all did what y'all was supposed to do over there, man? Gun strong as hell, cuz. Fam, it done knocked his whole little turban, it done spent the whole turban round, you dig? It done knocked his whole do-rag situation roundabout, you understand me? That's too much gun, fam. We might not can eat elephant tonight. You know what I'm saying? We might have to go with hyena or groundhog, you understand me? What about the little dudes? That's too much gun, fam. Get it together. That's how you get your gown messed up, trying to shoot that big ass gun, you dick. Fam, you gonna throw the gun like it's the baseball bat, huh? The gun is too powerful, fam. Dig, this what we gonna do. We gonna get all y'all a set of bow and arrows, you did. That's what we gonna do to resolve this problem, man. It's your boy King Smalls. I appreciate you coming to sit with me, man. I'm out, fam.